Take a look at this 2012 Ram 1500. Carfax has certified this 1500 as having one owner. This 1500 has just under 22,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This 1500 boasts a 4.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 23 GSLT Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, 6-speed automatic transmission, 3.55 axle ratio, 4.7L flex fuel engine, saddle brown pearl, Uconnect 130 and the dark slate medium graystone, cloth 40/20/40 bench seat. Call 877-331-8023 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.